So travelers, there are no reservations for today. It is a beautiful Saturday. So me and Michelle are going to another adult theme park, as I'd like to call it. It is IKEA. We're headed to IKEA because we're looking for some furniture. And we thought you guys would like to come along with us. So come along and let's see IKEA and where we end up for lunch today. First things first, we had to rinse the car off because the pollen is horrible. But IKEA is about 25 minutes away from where we live, so we are headed that way. Travelers, we have made it to our destination. I'm gonna see if I can talk Michelle into having lunch up at the old IKEA. I love the restaurant.
You are fixated.
I love those Swedish meatballs. They're so good. Okay,
fixated.
Maybe a cup of coffee. Can I at least get a cup of coffee? I gotta go run the gamut of this IKEA. We'll see what happens. You love to shop. The only problem I now see, Michelle has brought her tape measure. So this could be very interesting.
That's a must. You have to bring your tape measure.
I agree with you. I totally agree.
This isn't the easiest place to return things. So once you buy it, you should be sure of what you're getting.
That is true. Okay, here we go.
They do. I mean, I don't mean policy-wise. I just mean it's hard to return stuff.
That is true. Okay, I'll go ahead and give you the store hours. I know this will be a must visit on your next trip to Orlando, and the theme parks will be IKEA. Looks like we got a little remodel going on up there. We usually go that way, but we're heading this way. So we're actually here to get some ideas, which is the best place to come for ideas. We want to redo our dining room and get some lights for over top of our kitchen cabinets. So Michelle's already seen her first thing. She's also looking for a little island. We literally walked 10 feet and found a table we liked already. It's actually an expandable. What's it expand to?
7 chairs.
Yeah.
6 at the table and 1 extra.
Yeah. Because I like the armchair.
Or would we just pull up one of the chairs we already have?
No. Oh, we could use the green one, the green velvet ones, because I like those chairs. You know me, I got to be at the head of the table anyway. Right there. But it's an expandable table. It fit our family perfectly. Michael, Becca, Katie, Sabi, me, Michelle, and any extended family that decides to come to dinner.
Does this fold down?
I don't know. Let's see how it does.
This way.
So this is the table as a whole. We're trying to go with a lighter look. I'll show you our dining room that we have at home when we get back home. It's a little too dark, so we're trying to go lighter and to fit everybody at the table. Always love how IKEA has these little display rooms that you can get everything in a small space. Looks fantastic. Look. your office under your bed. That,
Benjamin.
yeah, oh yeah, we can get Benjamin a chair right there. Big version, little version. But they always have the best chairs. And the couch is always different. We also got to get 2 units to take care of our big buffet that we have all our china and stuff in. So now we're looking at these. Ooh, I like that. Hey, maybe a replacement for our Hummel cases, maybe. So we'll come down this way, see what Michelle sees. I think Michelle actually found one that she likes.
31, almost 32 inches wide.
That's good.
So 64 plus the table. And it all fit.
Yeah, it'll all fit with what she's planning on doing. Yeah,
To put that,
the ledge on it from side to
you
side.
see it's 83 inches tall.
I like that. I like the height. All your china would fit in that on both
I love
sides.
this. I like that.
And
For the
then
linen.
storage down at the bottom.
Yeah, storage in the
I like those, Shell.
bottom. Yeah.
Okay.
You prepared to spend some money?
Yeah. Just getting it
How do we
home.
get it home?
You have it delivered. You have it delivered. That is the one thing about Orlando. You got to make sure you can get stuff home.
Adjustable feet make it possible to compensate. It's also available in dark brown stain.
Guys, I think this might be the winner right here. I have never come shopping with Michelle, and it's been this quick that we found 2 items that we absolutely love and agree upon. We love these.
I think it's a big change from what we have.
Right. It's so light and bright. And it's adjustable shelving.
I mean, I realize it's not, it's not an antique piece of furniture, but I'm okay with that.
Yeah, that's
I
what
want
we're
it
getting
to be
rid of.
Florida light bright.
Wait until you see what we have. You'll understand what we're doing. We turned the corner and found a buffet that would go with the... we wanted to get 2 of those. And she really likes this. I'm shocked that she's usually it takes her a while, but she really likes that. Hey, there's the... oh my gosh, this might be a hard decision. Might be the neatest way I've ever seen cabinet doors open. And they're also adjustable shelving in there. I don't know, Michelle.
And I like that it's like, there's a lot of storage.
Yeah. Did you get a picture of the thing?
Yeah.
I love this space rack right there, but I really love the bear sitting in the space rack. Me and Michelle could come here and start doing test kitchens. We'd just come here, do some videos in the test kitchens, and then go home. Right there. But they always have these kitchens are always so beautiful. And like I said, I'm not the best designer and all that, so coming here really helps us see how to set stuff up and stuff like that. Mine and Michelle's type of kitchen right here. And she loves the space. All the space. We kind of had this in our house, at the house in Dunellen.
we did.
We had the space in Dunellen.
I love our kitchen.
Orlando, a little bit smaller.
I always wanted a double oven.
And I know a lot of folks love the aesthetics of this, but I am not a minimalist. And Michelle knows that. I try to put as much art on the wall, and she tries to make sure it looks nice. This Swedish company sure knows how to decorate. Look, sunroom, dining room, kitchen. Just put it in your house. That's all you got to do. Okay, let's see what the competition has to offer. The reason we like that one table is that the legs always stay at the end so we can expand it out. But we're going to see what the competition might have for us. And I forgot they carry a wide variety of chairs. So now we have to see if we like the right chairs that we've seen in the display model. Look how cute that is. Even a cute little kids room. They even look at the little kids furniture, the table and chairs and the little chairs. That's one Michelle wanted to get Benjamin that, and we said we could get Kiki that one. In our IKEA, we have the dining room here, so that's the dining room out there. Beautiful views. And then you come over here. I absolutely love the Swedish meatballs and their desserts. Sometimes the chocolate cake, if they got the chocolate cake. But it looks like they got a strawberry one today. And they're making something back there. But hopefully I can talk Michelle into this. If not, I'm sure we'll find a great place to go have dinner. We're getting close to dinner time. Chocolate cake, $4.99. Almond cake. Ooh, I haven't tried that one. And for you gentlemen out there, or ladies out there that don't like to shop, you can come up here by the cafeteria. They have a nice little lounge area. Get you a great cup of coffee. And it is free refills on the coffee. So I love their coffee. I don't know if it's their half and half of their coffee, but it definitely has a different taste. I talked to Michelle into IKEA dining. I'm so excited. So we get our little cart right here. This is our IKEA cart.
What?
Get your little cart. That's
what?
for your tray.
Oh, really?
Yeah. See the trays right there? That is cute. Okay, and then we come over here. Only one side of the buffet open right now, but that's okay. Show you some of the buffet real quick. All this time we've been coming here, you didn't know that was the tray carrier? Okay. There we go. We each got a tray. Is there a limit on our tray fillage?
I don't understand the question. You
You
can
can
probably
only-
get as much as you want.
Yeah, you know me. Of course, I'm going to get a little dessert here. You want any dessert, Joe? That's a strawberry shortcake. Okay, I'm going to get this caramel cake right here. Nice little salad selection. The Caesar there is $4.49. They also got wraps. Oh, Michelle's going with the salad. All the salad dressings on there already. See the little cups in the back of the salads?
Well, I want a Caesar, but I don't see any.
So like Michelle said, you can actually make it a chicken Caesar salad, and you can add some chicken right there. Then they got sandwiches and salmon because they're from Sweden. I just wish I could love salmon. And then got some pastries here. That is the cinnamon rolls they serve. But I gotta get some food.
Salad. That's what I want.
Okay, there we go. 16 meatball meal right there. I'm gonna get the peas, the mashed potatoes, and the lingonberry. I got veggie balls and plant balls. I didn't. And soups and breads right here. Fruits. Michelle got a side salad, so she needs a dressing.
Yeah, ranch.
I can ask. I gotta get a roll right here. And cookies, but no cookies for me today. I got the cake. They actually sell the lingonberry sauce. I could actually take it home with me. So Michelle went with the meatballs as well, and we got squash, not peas. And then she got a side salad. She eats a little healthier than I do. Because I got this one here with the 16 meatballs roll.
16 meatballs.
Yeah, 16 meatball option. They have an 8, a 12, or 16. I went with the 16 meatballs. And then the caramel cake right there.
Did you really need that many meatballs?
Yeah, probably not, but it looks
How much
good.
was that?
All this was $30.
No, how much was the 16
$11.
versus the 8?
$11 versus the $9. So for two extra dollars.
Mine was $1.50 for 4 more.
Right. So this
8
was
plus $9.50.
$9.50, and then this was $1.50 more, 10, 11.
So $1.50 for 4 more.
Yeah.
So you could got
You could
unlimited.
unlimited and with the lingonberry sauce there. We're going to enjoy our meal. Michelle's on the other side over here, enjoying her IKEA, and she may have been right. 16 meatballs might have been a little bit too much, but this lingonberry soda is fantastic. So that's really good. I had the sparkling pear. That was pretty good. But yeah, 16 meatballs might be a little too much. Sometimes your partner just does stuff for you because she knows you really like it. Look, Michelle looks so pitiful over there eating their
My fish flavored corn, whatever it is.
It's like a succotash, but not a succotash.
Every time I eat these meatballs, I just kept thinking about that one movie. Who is it where he eats all this stuff? It's like Vacation, is it?
I don't know.
Where he eats, it's the cow parts, and he like breaks the record.
Okay.
Isn't it the cow?
Yeah. Okay, we'll stop right there. I know what you're talking about.
That's what I think about.
She's talking about mountain oysters. That's what she's talking about, the movie. I'm not sure the movie, but that's what she's talking about. But she ate here for me today. So thank you, Michelle. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for coming to IKEA smorgasbord. I'll have to take her to dinner somewhere nice tonight. Finished up at the Swedish restaurant. We are now going down to get our items, and we have to have them delivered. So just waiting on the big elevator. It's like a big cargo elevator. And what you've seen so far is just on the top floor. Now we got to go to the bottom floor. But I do love the meatballs. Before you pay for your stuff at IKEA, you got to run the ground floor gauntlet of getting past all the tchotchke stuff and all the accessories and all the sheets and curtains. This is where it can start to add up. Only the Swedes would come up with pans that aren't the same. You know, a 9 by 13, but they got like 10 by 15. No 9 by 13 pans anywhere that we have seen yet. We made one decision so far. We're getting these coat hangers. Aren't those cute? And we have the deal of the day. $999.99 for this couch sectional out here. But we are placing our order to get our items delivered. So you guys will have to stay tuned for that. But we're going to show you what area we are changing when we get home. But we are at checkout. Love the fact that they even have a little grocery area right here. But check this out. They got the lingonberry syrup right there to make your drinks. Just get you a little soda stream and it'd be just like... Oh, and they got the pear. Okay. And Bill or drink? Bilberry. Okay. I was editing the video and forgot all about showing you the area right here. We got home late last night, met the kids, and had a little light dinner with them last night, but I forgot to show you guys this. So this is the area we're working with. We're gonna get rid of that big beast back there and this table right here and make this a little bit lighter, brighter area. One of my favorite pictures Michelle got for me right there. I love that picture. So with that said, oh, let me show you where we're gonna put the lights also. And this is above the cabinet. See, there's no lighting back there, and we're gonna work on that, getting some lights up there. Yes, these are some of the popcorn buckets. We will have another popcorn bucket release on March 17th. I think that's St. Patrick's Day. But we are going to have some more stuff on March 17th, so be ready on that Sunday. If you want any of the popcorn buckets, I got to choose which ones I want to get rid of. I'm not sure which ones. So that's it. That's what we worked on yesterday, and then I'm doing this the next morning because I forgot all about it. So cannot wait to get this started. Hopefully we decide on what we want to do back here. We had a pretty good decision yesterday, but I'm not really sure. You know, when you sleep on it, then you think about it. So who knows? No telling what we're going to get.
We're going to see if we can find some more financially.
Michelle over there.
Options.
Okay. She told you right there. She just didn't want to spend the money yesterday. I didn't have a problem, but she was like, no, I think I can do better than this. So we're going to continue our search, and when we do complete this, we will show you guys this. But until then, oh, don't forget, this coming Wednesday there won't be a walk around Wednesday because there's still no park passes, so I gotta wait. So we'll go somewhere else this Wednesday. So anyway, travelers, Michelle's over there in the kitchen. I'm getting ready to go pick up lunch, and until next time, like we always say, travel and adventure is out there.